I hate the bikes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you already know by the title, today we are going to remove our makeup together. So for today's video, the brand that I'm using is the brand that I've loved the most and I've used the most, but somehow I did not talk about it a lot on camera. But it is my OG product. I have been using it for years, and today is the right chance, and I'll tell you why to talk about it. Today the brand that I'm going to show to you guys is Bioderma. I have been using Bioderma Sensibio H2O for ages, but you guys know I always try to give you guys affordable options. So this when this was in market earlier, the price was a little bit higher than any other brand, so maybe I did not mention it, God knows. But today I have a very good news for you guys. So this is the Bioderma 100 ml bottle, which used to retail for 660 rupees, and now they have reduced the price to 395 rupees, which is so amazing. Because in India, see, you have to understand the concept of pricing. In India there are a few brands that have to sell their products on a higher margin than on other countries. So mainly I had my neighbors staying abroad, so they used to get this one for me, which was way cheaper abroad than in India. So I'm very happy that Bioderma took this decision and they have reduced the price of it. So big shout out to the brand, you have done really amazing. And so now this is just for 395 rupees, guys. It's good, right? So now let's just talk about Bioderma a bit more and remove our makeup together. So first of all, let me just tell you, it has 3 sizes. So this is the 100 ml bottle of Bioderma. I have 2 actually. So, and this is the 500 ml bottle of Bioderma, and there is a middle size that is like 250 ml. So Bioderma basically is a French brand, and they are the first one to come up with a micellar water. So I'm first starting off with removing my lenses. This is the most famous micellar water. People who have used it, they know what it is, and that is why every 2 seconds one bottle of Bioderma is sold worldwide. It's huge. It's like a super big deal. Now any other brand you use, look at that. Bioderma is the only brand, only micellar water that removes waterproof makeup. Honestly guys, I have tried this for years and I have seen how it removes the makeup. And this is not oil infused at all. This one is amazing for people who have sensitive skin, and they did not add any sort of oil in it, still removes the makeup so nicely. So this one actually balances your skin out while removing the makeup. It does not strip off oil from your face. It does not do any harm to your skin basically. It is actually used by makeup artists worldwide. Now I'll tell you one really interesting thing. When I was in my makeup school, we used to use Bioderma on models all the time before getting them started. So why is that? This is not only a micellar water or a micellar water, however you want to call it. This is a product that actually gets rid of all the dirt, all the impurities, like, you know, the particles that comes and sits on your skin. This is the formula. That is why it's so famous, guys. The formulation takes away everything from your skin. It is not only used to remove your makeup, it is used to prep the skin as well. So I remember we always used to use this one, and we used to like wipe off the model's skin so that the skin is calmed down, it's not irritated from, because obviously they used to travel from a place to our place, right? So we used to use this so that their skin calms down, and you know, there are no like dust particles on their skin. It also helps in toning the skin. So with this one, another great thing is you don't really need to wash your face after you have applied this. I'll tell you how that thing works. So just let me just press it against my eyes first. How I normally use it is, if I'm going out and I'm not applying any makeup, I'll come home. I will just take a cotton pad and I'll just wipe off my face, and the amount of dust and gunk that will come out from my skin, you will be shocked. If you have used it or if you're planning to use it, just try it in this way so that you know how it works out. So just wash your face with a face wash. Even if you wash your face with a face wash and then go in with this, you are going to see dirt, makeup, everything coming out. So I have seen this myself. So when I'm using a different micellar water or any other makeup removing procedure, normally I always go for double cleansing. Even before it was a thing to double cleanse, I always used to double cleanse my skin. So what I used to do is, when I'm not using Bioderma to remove my makeup, I used to use a different cleanser. Then I used to wash my face with a face wash. Then I used to take a cotton pad and Bioderma and wipe off my face. Still, there would be makeup that would come out on this cotton pad, and trust me, I have tried this with other, like I have done half and half face just for me, for my experiment. So I've done half my face with another micellar water and half my face with Bioderma. The side I used Bioderma, in the cotton pad there was makeup. It is, I don't know how, but there is a reason that this thing is world famous, guys. You will be shocked. If you have a skin clogging issue, if you think that your makeup does not remove, all you need in your life is Bioderma. And you see, you can't see on camera, I'll insert some pictures in here of my skin, that how my skin is doing right now. I only use Bioderma because I know that the bumps will be gone after I use it. So this is what my skin used to be, and then I started straight up using Bioderma to remove my makeup for like a week, and this is how it turned out right now. So you can see the difference, guys. It's so good, it's brilliant. Just remove my makeup, I will wash my face, I'll come back, and again I'll use this one for one last time, and you will see there's no makeup left. And mind you guys, all my makeup was waterproof. My foundation, my concealer, my mascara, my lipstick, I only used this one to remove my makeup. I did not need a oil cleanser to remove everything. To be extremely honest with you guys, after I use any other micellar water, my skin does feel dry and it does definitely stretches, but with Bioderma, never it happened. So I washed my face. You can see how clear and bright my face looks. It definitely helps in clearing out your scars and stuff too, like not like removing the scar marks, clearing out as in it does not clog your pores, so you won't get any extra pimples, right? So now for the test. If you guys want me to compare Bioderma with any other product some other day, I will be happy to do it too. So actually, I'm very paranoid with makeup staying on my skin. I am, totally I am. So I just have to do this step, even as I told you, even if I use any other makeup remover, I have to wipe my face with Bioderma after I wash my face, because I know this is the only product that will get rid of any product. So see, so now just take a look. It's a clean cotton pad, and this is what I mean when I say that Bioderma works the best. Now do not forget to check my description box. I will inform you guys a lot about Bioderma, and I'll write down some stuff that I did not say in this video. If you have used Bioderma, or if you start using Bioderma once, you won't be able to put it down. Check the reviews wherever you want to go. Check other videos, check people talking about Bioderma, and you will find that everybody loves this product. And so I'll just suggest you guys, if you are scared about spending money, just buy the small one. It's just for 390 rupees. So just spend your money on this one, and I assure you that you will get the value and more out of this. You can get this on Bioderma India website. I'll just link everything down below, as I always do. I hate the bikes, as I always do. And yes, so now let me just tell you very clearly, if you have sensitive skin, if you have acne prone skin, if your skin is very reactive to product, like my mother's skin is very reactive to product, she gets like allergies and bumps. So if you have something like that, you can use this. Like, it just blindly trust this product and this is going to work. It has been manufactured so many years ago and it is still in the market and it is still #1. It has a reason, obviously, right? So yes, I will highly encourage you guys to at least try this product, like a small size bottle, and see it for yourself. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was informative for you guys. And yes, I wanted to make this because you guys always ask me how do you maintain your skin and all of that. It depends on a lot of things, guys. It's not just skincare or like all of this active ingredient stuff that is going in the market. There's a lot that goes behind maintaining a good skin. So yes, I just wanted to educate you guys about this product and how I love it and how it changed the skin game for me. So yes, I'll see you in the next video and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then please let me know, and till then, bye bye.